How to make a TradeLocker demo account. Here's exactly how to create one in just a few easy steps. Step 1, TradeLocker doesn't create accounts directly. You need to go through a broker that supports it. Go to a prop firm or broker like Glownode, MyFundedFX, or Mint Funding and sign up on their website. Step 2, once you're on the broker's site, either sign up with your email and password or log in if you already have an account. Step 3, inside your dashboard or client area, look for a section like Create Account, Demo Account, or Trading Platforms. Step 4, pick Demo Account, then set your parameters like leverage, account size, and base currency. Step 5, after creating the demo, you'll get your TradeLocker credentials, usually a server, account number, and password. These may appear on screen or get emailed to you. Step 6, go to TradeLocker.com or open the TradeLocker mobile app. Tap Login and enter your credentials. Once inside, you'll be on your fully active demo dashboard. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.